Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Love Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Love Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. When I think about the feelings can't explain. Why after all this time, my heart still feels pain.
Hey guys, Kelly here, back with another video. Nah, I don't like that. What it do? What's up? KDiani here in the cut. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? So today's video is going to be about how I get this color in my hair. If you're new to my channel and you watching this video, make sure you press that subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell to be notified when I post a new video. You know what I'm saying? Because you can't watch my video if you ain't gonna subscribe to my channel. Period. So, with that being said, I'm not even gonna ramble anymore. We're gonna get straight into this video. Let me try that again. I'm not even gonna ramble anymore. We're gonna get straight into this video. Let's get into it. I have this small little container with blue wax in it. It smells like something nice. I don't know how to explain it. It smells like a perfume, like a flowery scent. So my hair is 2 days old. Most people I've seen, they like wash their hair all over again. Who gonna wash their hair again? Not me. I'm gonna split my hair down the middle, create 2 pigtails. So then, take that out. I know that was ridiculous. Then I'm just going to take a section out. Like this. In here is water and conditioner. I put conditioner in here because I don't know if this is going to leave my hair crunchy. And I don't want it to be crunchy. So I'm just gonna spray it.
Friday, Saturday, love Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Love Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
I'm gonna open it. And in a lot, so I'm gonna grab some like this.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Love Sunday, Monday, Tuesday.
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean no disrespect, but I'm talking about my world. I even dream of you, I swear.
Let's get into this next section because I kind of want to see what the rest of my hair gonna look like. So let's keep going.
More than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even know it's me. You gotta feel me.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of feeling it though. It feels kind of dope. But I'm gonna blow dry my hair and then I'm gonna show you guys the end result. Alright, so boom, let me tell y'all the hell that I went through. Okay? So it don't look blue, right? It look like some green, right? Like some teal, some green. It was blue. But hear me out though. I didn't like the way my hair was drying when I blow dried it. It was like clumped up, like the wax made my hair feel heavy. So now I see why they say to put it on freshly washed hair. Cause then I dunked my head in the water like this, and then I went like that, and I was like, oh no, don't blue, don't go. So I was trying to save it in the sink, and I was trying to put it back in my hair. So then, look, it looked like I ran through a goddamn color run. But anyways, it was more blue than this, but I kind of like it. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Hold on, let me change my shirt. So, this is what the final result looks like. Check me out. Yeah, if you guys would like to see me do like other hair color waxes, make sure you guys comment down below any other colors for me to do. You know, I would most definitely do that, and I will most definitely be using color wax in my hair again, because like this color is so fire, bro. Like, I'm so like amazed. Like, I didn't think it was gonna work, because my first attempt, it was like, yo, my hair is not drying like how my hair normally dries. So I had to dunk some water on it, and then took out majority of the glue, and I was like, let me save it. But you know, couldn't save all of it, but I saved some. You know, it's still that teal drip. You feel me? But if you guys rocking with my edges though, make sure, yeah, click this right here or right here, watch that video, and participate in the giveaway. You know, this is what you're gonna get. You get my edge control and an edge brush, and I announced in my video that I will probably add something else in the bag when I send it to the 3 winners. It has no scent, it's clear, you know, but it has maximum hold. It hydrates your hair, no flaking, no residue, it's not greasy, it don't leave your hair crunchy like when it dries either, but it does hold your hair. I tried it out and it held my edges for 2 days, no cap. That's if you wrap your hair at night, you wrap your edges, because before I shower, I pick up my hair and I cover up my edges, so when I get in the shower, they don't sweat out. And if they do, you can easily just grab some, swoop it, and they'll hold just like that. It's mad dope. If you want the free product, make sure you participate in the giveaway instructions. They will be in the description box down below. Make sure y'all check that out. But if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share the video. And if you're new to my channel, you made it this far, thank you, I appreciate it. Make sure you do press that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you are notified when I post a new video. Till next time, mucho besitos.